vegetables. They are of different size, colors and shape. Today's video is based on round-shaped vegetables. Cabbage, a ball of round-shaped leaves with prominent wings. कुछ लीव्स बाहर की ओर खुली हुई. Look at once again carefully. Little curved lines to support the round shape. Brinjal. The drawing of brinjal is very simple and easy. Curved stem and flower type shape on the top. Now cauliflower. First we draw flower type shape, some circles small and big on the center. Then leaves. Leaves are different from cabbage leaves, little pointed. Now small flowers of cauliflower. To draw these flowers, shake your hand little bit. Now turnip, a top type shape, एक लट्टू के तरह का आकार जो नीचे से पॉइंटेड होगा. स्टेम्स आपस में एक दूसरे की ओर झुकी हुई. And then small roots. Capsicum. Draw with the stem. First you draw middle shape of the capsicum. After that left and right side. Look at carefully once again. Little broader from upper side and little narrow from lower side. Now pumpkin. Again start with stem and from the middle part. After that left and right parts. Look at carefully once again. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सिखाएंगे कैसे ऑयल पेस्टल से कलर करना है।